Welcome back, future medicos. In this video, we are going to look at the Karnataka Round 2 fee structure and seat matrix, mainly for other state candidates. We are going to look at the private seats and other seats. So this is the schedule for Round 2 Karnataka. Display of seat matrix by 7th December 2 p.m. In fact, they have done it already. So that's what we are going to discuss today. And then the display of seat matrix from All India quota reverted seats. So whatever the seats that comes from All India quota will also be added. Of course, this is not applicable for other state candidates. This is applicable only for the local candidates, that is the Karnataka residents or interested in the All India quota reverted seats. For other state candidates, this is of no interest. Then option entry. So the option entry is also open already. You can look at the option entry now. It is open from 7th December, 4:30 p.m. until 10th December, 4 p.m. This is where you can rearrange the options. And then the publication of second round result will be 11th December after 4 p.m. So this is the schedule for round 2. Now let us look at the fee structure for the private seats and then the vacancies available for those seats. We will go college by college. The first column, the college code is M002. Then the next column, college name, that is Dr. B.R. Ambedkar Medical College at Bangalore. The fee structure is 9.94 lakhs. And the vacancies are 15 seats are vacant. This is for private seats or open category, OPN or P, okay, whichever you call it. This is open or private category. Kempagowda Institute at Bangalore. Once again, the fee structure is 9.94 lakhs. 25 seats are vacant. MS Ramaya Medical College, Bangalore. 23 seats are vacant. Kaja Bande Nawaz Institute, Gulbarga. Take note of the fees in this college. This is 16.3 lakhs per year. And then there are 9 seats vacant in this college. MVJ Medical College, Bangalore, 14 seats are vacant. Vaidehi Institute of Medical Sciences, Bangalore, 20 seats are vacant. AJ Institute of Medical Sciences, Bangalore, 10 seats are vacant. St. John's Medical College, Bangalore, 6 seats are vacant. This is the private open category I'm talking about. There will be certain seats available for the Roman Catholic Christians. I'm not talking about that. This is only the All India open seats I'm talking about. There are 6 seats vacant. Take note that St. John's, the fee structure is 6.29 lakhs per year. So this is the lowest fee college in Karnataka. Sri Basaveshwara Medical College, Chitradurga, 18 seats are vacant. Adi Chunchunagiri Institute, Mandya. I hope I pronounced it correctly this time. The private fees is 18.2 lakhs per year and there are 30 vacancies available in this college. So take note, certain colleges, the fee structure is higher. Typically, most of the colleges, the fee structure is 9.94 lakhs per year. However, certain colleges, the fee structure is higher. Then Al Amin Medical College, Bijapur, 14 seats are vacant. Yes, Nijalingappa Medical College, Bagalkot, 33 seats are vacant. SDM College of Medical Sciences, Dharwad, take note the fee structure is 17.45 lakhs per year. There are 20 seats vacant. Mahadevappa Rampure Medical College, Gulbarga, 7 seats are vacant. Navodaya Medical College, Raichur, 9 seats are vacant. Father Muller Institute, Mangalore, 13 seats are vacant. K. Venkataramana Gowda College, Mangalore has 19 seats vacant. Jaya Jagadguru Muruga Rajendra at Davangere has 35 seats vacant. Shai Manuru Shiva Shankarappa Davangere has 22 seats vacant. Sabdagiri Institute at Bangalore has 17 seats vacant. Srinivasa Institute, Mangalore has 8 seats. Subbaya Institute of Medical Science, Shimoga has 10 seats. BGS Global Institute of Medical Sciences, Bangalore has 16 seats. Sridevi Institute, Tumkur has 29 seats. The Oxford Medical College, Bangalore has 12 seats. Akash Institute of Medical Sciences, Bangalore has 6 seats. Kanachur Institute of Medical Sciences, Mangalore has 11 seats. East Point College of Medical Sciences, Bangalore has 24 seats. Dr. Chandramma Dayananda Sahar at Harohalli has 34 seats vacant. Take note, this college, the fee structure is 20.2 lakhs per year. So totally, we have 509 seats vacant under the private category or the open category. Compared to round one, the round one we had about 643 seats. So only about 134 seats had been taken up so far. So remaining, we have 509 seats available for round two. Now let us look at the other fees category, which is normally the higher fee structure. It's almost equivalent to the NRI fees. So those who are at a very low mark, but they can afford a higher fees, they can look at this fee structure colleges. In fact, almost every college offers this category with less number of seats. So first, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar Medical College, Bangalore. If you look at the fee structure is 36.9 lakhs per year, and there are 5 vacancies. Kempagowda Institute, the fee structure is 36.1 lakhs and vacancies 7. MS Ramaya Medical College at Bangalore, the fee structure is 40.1 lakh per year and the vacancies are 7. Kaja Bande Nawaz Institute, Gulbarga. So basically, we don't have any seat offered by this college under this category. So that's why nothing is shown there. MVJ Medical College, Bangalore, 40.1 lakh is the fee and vacancies are 7. Vaidegi Institute of Medical Sciences, Bangalore, the fee structure is 39 lakhs per year and there are 12 vacancies. AJ Institute of Medical Sciences, Mangalore, 40.1 lakhs per year and then the vacancies are 7. St. John's Medical College, Bangalore does not offer any seat under this category. Sri Basaveshwara Medical College, Chitradurga, the fee structure is 40.1 lakh and there are 5 vacancies. Adi Chunchunagiri Institute, Mandya, 34.2 lakhs fees and they have 8 vacancies. Al Amin Medical College, Bijapur, the fee structure is 30.1 lakhs per year and vacancies 7. Yes, Nijalingappa Medical College, Bagalkot, 40.1 lakh and 13 vacancies. SDM College of Medical Sciences, Dharwad, 32.4 lakhs, 4 vacancies. Mahadevappa Rampure Medical College, Gulbarga, 40.2 lakhs, 8 seats. Navodaya Medical College, Raichur, 31.1 lakh, 7 vacancies. Father Muller Institute, Mangalore, 30.1 lakh, 7 seats are vacant. K. Venkatramana Gowda, Mangalore, 32.6 lakhs is the fees and 5 seats are vacant. Jaya Jagadguru Murugarajendra, Davangere, 45.1 lakh is the fees and there are 12 vacancies. Shai Manuru Shivashankarappa, Davangere, once again the fee structure is 45.1 lakhs and there are 8 vacancies. Sapdagiri Institute of Medical Sciences, Bangalore, it offers other category seats at 60.1 lakh per year. Okay, take note, this is not the total fees. This is per year, they are charging 60 lakhs. So there are 8 vacancies under this category. I don't know who will take this seat at 60 lakhs per year. Srinivasa Institute, Mangalore, 42 lakhs and vacancy 7. Subbaya Institute of Medical Sciences, Shimoga, 33.1 lakh, 7 vacancies. BGS Global Institute, Bangalore, 45 lakhs per year and 6 vacancies. Sri Devi Institute of Medical Sciences, Tumkur, 36 lakhs per year and 8 vacancies. The Oxford Medical College, Bangalore, 42 lakhs and vacancies 7. Akash Institute of Medical Sciences, Bangalore, 39 lakhs and 7 seats. Kanachur Institute of Medical Sciences, Mangalore, offers the other category seats at 30.1 lakh, and then the vacancies are 8. East Point College of Medical Sciences, Bangalore, the fee structure is 36.1 lakh, and then vacancies 7. Dr. Chandrama Dayananda Sagar, they don't offer seats under others category. So totally we have 194 seats vacant. So if you compare these to round one, we had about 196 seats. So which means only 2 seats had been taken up in round one. Okay, how many seats? Only 2. And I am even surprised those 2 seats have been taken up. Generally, other seats category generally go vacant, right? I don't know who will pay such a high fee, right? 60 lakhs per year. Okay, anyway, that is the information I wanted to share with you. One, the private category or open category. I have shown you the number of seats vacant and the fee structure. And similarly, I have shown you the other category, the fee structure and the vacancies. Now look at this and take a decision and go ahead for round 2 for your counseling. Thank you. My best wishes to you.